So we are just setting off to drive to Milford Sound now, down the Milford Road. We're going to stay in Cascade Creek tonight, so we're going to stop along the way and see some viewpoints, enjoy the road, and then tomorrow we will go on Milford Sound cruise. But yeah, this evening we're just going to drive and enjoy the stunning views of the mountains everywhere.
Now that the sun's come out.
The water's very clear. Lovely views. Yeah, you can see a slight waterfall. Usually this area is covered in them if it's been raining. We'll go see if we can find a mirror image tour, but I think it's probably a bit too windy. Track's nice though. It's only 5 minutes through the woods. Pretty views, but no mirror. We can look on the way back. So we just pulled into Cascade Creek. This is our DOC camp spot for the night. Not a bad view. This is the last one before Milford Sound, so it's only half an hour for us in the morning because we've got an early boat for the cruise before all the tour groups get there. But yeah, it's nice. Got to watch out for the sandflies, so that's why we're in the open rather than hidden in the bush. So we parked up at Cascade Creek. Now we're going to do the nature walk through the forest to Lika. Trees are stunning. It's about 45 minutes.
Very pretty. Yeah, we are both kind of covered because lots of sandflies everywhere. Although we read and they suggested to park out in the open because it's less likely to kind of bother you when you're out in the open. Whereas your natural inclination is to go towards the kind of brush, just see a bit of shade, a bit of privacy. But we're out in the open, no one's around us, and so far we've not actually had any towards the van, which is good. We shall see if that maintains, but yeah, we're on a nice 45-minute walk and go back and cook dinner. It's just very nice to be in nature. way too zoomed in. Oh, there's your face.
Ska vi moving in on? Snapping it in well. Careful.
Yeah. What's in the hole? Hello, hole. Can't see anything. So yeah, they have no idea why they have this growth. So we found the lake. So we found the lake, and we've got a little path to show you. It's windy, but very nice. I don't think we're going for a swim though. So that was a really nice view. Very windy though. Yeah, so we're going to finish the rest of the loop and then head back and start cooking some dinner. What are we having tonight? Ooh, what, chickpea korma? Chickpea korma. Yeah, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of editing work just to get some more videos ready. So when we pass the library next, I can get them uploaded. And then we are going to wake up early tomorrow morning because we have a boat ride.
Yeah, we've got to cruise on Milford Sound. We've got one of the earliest ones with real insect.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, we'll just probably see you in the morning.